Thanks for watching my video. Today I'm going to show you what I do when prepping my MDF for paint. Today I'm going to be using a scrap piece of MDF that I had lying around the garage, and I'm going to label one side with poly and the other side with no poly. And I'm doing this so that I don't mistake one side for the other. That being said, I'm going to use a Minwax water-based polycrylic finish. Typically, you coat your projects with it at the end, but today I'm going to do it in the beginning. And I do this because it seals up the MDF and kind of prevents the MDF from soaking up the paint. I coat the MDF with one layer of polycrylic, and I'm going to let it dry for about an hour. So it's been an hour, and now I'm going to be using a can of Rust-Oleum white gloss paint. As soon as I start spraying, right off the bat, you see a clear difference and benefit of using some type of poly on your MDF projects before you paint it. And I only did one layer in this video to kind of give you an idea on what the benefit is of prepping your MDF before you go to actually paint it. Everyone has their own specific way. This way just works with me. But again, I am open to hearing about how you guys prep your MDF. I'm always looking to find a new trick that I can, pass along to the next individual, or even my son if he decides to get into woodworking. If this video has helped you, like, comment, and subscribe. And let me know in the comments what you think. Thanks.